Good morning friends, this is Tusharsingh Bisen from Shivaji College of Engineering and Technology, Akola. I have made the final assignment for building information modeling of multi-story building by Skyfi Labs summer training program for 6 days. I have done this assignment on ArchiCAD software, ArchiCAD 20 software. Firstly, we have to decide the unit by clicking on options menu from project references on working units. We have to decide the unit in millimeter or what the dimensions you want. Then we will create layers in schedules option that comes in document menu by clicking on component by layers. By clicking this option you will get the layers we have used in this project, which helps in creating the total budget of the project. We will design the grids for the foundation or columns by clicking on grid systems. Here are the grids. Like this, we have also created the first floor and second floor based on the problem setup. This is the first floor, and this is the second story, that is second floor. We can also view the 3D view of that. In 3D view, this orbit option, by clicking on orbit option we can see the 3D view. In order to explore, there is an 3D explore option. We have interior designed the building by furnishing it like sofas, beds, peoples, kitchen accessories. You can see the 3D view of the building. In order to cancel the 3D view, press escape button and click in fit in window. Again, by selecting orbit you can observe the 3D view from outside of the building. Here we can also, by clicking on layout book, we can go to drawing, create drawing. Like for example, for ground floor I will right click on and click on go to drawing. This will create the drawing options. You can zoom in to see. We can also create the photo rendering by clicking here on documents menu on creative imaging and photo render projection. The software will take some time to create the photo rendering image. After creating the image, you can right click on the image and go to save as option for saving this image. For example, I have saved this image. I will show you. Like this. So these are the settings. And options for making the building in this building information modeling software, that is ArchiCAD. That's all. Thank you, friends.